2020 Mercedes-Benz, we are doing an interlock. We got to find a starter disable. On the driver's side, there is a locking clips here. Straight this way, pull this out. There are fuse box right there. Remove 2 torque screws.
25.
It's the torque number 25. Once you have the top cover open, we don't have to take these 13 mils out. Just remove these torque screws, 25. There's a locking tabs on these 3 corners. You bend it away and you'll be able to access the bottom of this fuse box. Underneath, there is a blue plug. This wire, it looks brown or maybe faded pink. This is actually a starter wire. One next to it, this is ignition sense. So we're going to connect starter disable wire here, which is this one here, and the ignition sense to this wire that is, they said purple, but it's more like pink red. So this looks pink. This is pink red. That's supposed to be ignition sense. Okay, this pink blue wire at the blue plug next to this pink wire, that's supposed to be ignition, but I didn't get no ignition. And I thought this was the ignition, but it's actually delayed ignition. So I cannot use that. This big heavy gauge 10, like an 8 gauge wire, that is a constant, so we're going to use that as a constant. Starter disable is the same wire. Okay, I found the ignition at the lighter plug right there. That goes on and off with a key. The other ones are ignition but delayed ignition. I cannot use that. So this one goes on and off right away. To get to it, it's pretty simple. The first step you got to do is to remove this. To remove this, there is a little tab that comes out. So when you pop the one corner, it's gonna get blocked by this tab sticking out. So you're gonna have to push into the hole, both sides, and pull this up. This comes out. No screws. Underneath, there are torque 25 screws right there. Remove them, and you simply lift up this back side of it, and you slide towards the rear. As you can see, whole thing comes out. Now you can access the bottom part of it. So you just grab there's a red black wire at the cigarette lighter, and that is a true ignition that goes on and off the